Magandang araw. Ako po si Mark Lester Liraga. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong January 29. How to Trust God, the Birth of Isaac, na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 Daily Devotions. Ang Bible verse ngayong araw ay galing sa Genesis chapter 21, verse 1 to 2. Sabi po ay, Now the Lord was gracious to Sarah, as he had said, and the Lord did for Sarah what he had promised. Sarah became pregnant and bore a son to Abraham in his old age, at the very time God had promised him. Simple lang pero ang lalim ng Bible verse na ito. Kasi this verse reminds us na God is faithful to His word. Hindi lang siya nagsasalita, tinutupad niya talaga. Let's be real for a moment. Sa Abraham at Sarah, matagal silang naghintay. Taon, decades. Umabot pa sa point na nawala na sila ng pag-asa. Natawa pa nga si Sarah nung marinig niya na magkakaanak siya kasi sa human perspective, imposible na. Matanda na sila, wala nang reason para umasa. Pero, dito pumapasok ang tatlong teachings natin. First is, God has His own plan. Minsan nakala natin, late na si Lord or nakalimutan na niya tayo. Pero the truth is, may bigger picture siya na hindi natin nakikita. Hindi lang anak ang plano ni God kay Abraham, nation. Hindi lang blessing, kundi legacy. So, kung feeling mo ngayon, parang walang nangyayari sa buhay mo, maybe God is preparing something bigger than what you're asking for. Pangalawa, God has His own way. Hindi dumaan sa shortcut ang pangako ni Lord. Hindi ayon sa paraan ng tao, kundi ayon sa kapangyarihan niya. Minsan, gusto natin, Lord, gawin mo to agad. Gawin mo sa ganitong paraan. Pero, God often works in ways na hindi natin kontrolado para maalala natin na siya talaga ang source. Hindi lang ang ating sariling lakas. At ang last, God has His own timing. Ito siguro yung pinakamahirap, yung maghintay. Kasi gusto natin ngayon na ASAP, agad-agad. Pero kay Sarah, dumating si Isaac exactly at the time God promised. Hindi late, hindi early, kundi sakto. At that same God is telling us today na, wait, trust me, I'm never late. So, if you're watching this and you're in a season of waiting for healing, breakthrough, direction, or answered prayers, remember this. Kung tulipad ni God ang pangako niya noon, tutuparin niya ang pangako niya ngayon. Let us trust God not because we understand everything, but because we know who He is. And ang reminder natin ngayong araw is, God has His own plan, His own way, and His own perfect timing.